Have you ever stopped to think why you decided to watch this video? Maybe you're getting ready for bed, or maybe you're enjoying your lunch. The interesting thing is that, regardless of the moment, something in this video caught your eye amidst a sea of possibilities. Every day, we are navigating an ocean of choices. What to watch, what to do, even the seemingly simple decision of which shirt to wear can lead us into a maze of options. This process of choosing gives us a sense of control, as if we were the true captains of our destiny. But are we really? Imagine, just for a moment, that every choice we make, from the most trivial to the most monumental, has been mapped out since the dawn of the cosmos. Sounds like the plot of a science fiction novel, doesn't it? Now let's embark on a journey back in time to meet Isaac Newton, a brilliant mind who radically transformed our understanding of the universe with the invention of calculus. This breakthrough was not just a new mathematical tool, it opened doors to predicting the course of the future and deciphering the mysteries of the past, all through the language of equations. By mastering the initial conditions of any physical system, we have the key to unraveling its behavior at any point in time, whether in the distant future or the distant past. This concept, known as determinism, suggests a reality where chance plays little or no role. If the initial variables remain unchanged, the results will follow a predictable pattern. But what does this really imply? Could it be that our daily actions, our innermost thoughts, and even our heartbeats are echoes of a cosmic symphony written at the dawn of time? And if we could somehow access this universal score, would we be able to foresee every moment of our existence, every twist and turn, every triumph and every misfortune? Newton, with his genius, not only changed the way we understand the movement of celestial bodies and gravity, he invited us to question the very nature of free will. The idea that we live in a deterministic universe, where the future is already written, is both fascinating and disturbing. It brings us face to face with fundamental questions about fate, choice, and destiny. So as we contemplate the implications of this concept, we are led to ponder, is our life really ours to shape? Or are we simply playing the roles that the universe has already chosen for us? This reflection shows not only how much we still have to learn, but also questions our control over life and our decisions. Physics, that fascinating science that studies the foundations of the universe, has indeed unraveled mysteries ranging from the majestic dance of galaxies to the almost imperceptible ballet of subatomic particles. Imagine for a moment the power of knowledge we would have if we could access information about every particle that makes up the universe. Would it then be possible to anticipate every future event, every human decision, every twist of fate with unerring accuracy? The idea sounds almost divine, as if we could gaze into a cosmic crystal ball and read the script of everything that is to come. But before you get lost in a maze of philosophical and existential questions, it's worth remembering how exciting this journey in search of answers is. Human curiosity, that insatiable urge to understand the deepest secrets of nature, drives us to go further, to explore new territories of knowledge. And this is where the adventure becomes even more intriguing. When we consider the possibility of knowing all the particles in the universe, we are contemplating the predictability of events on a macroscopic scale. This thought leads us to a crossroads between determinism and free will, between science and philosophy, where each discovery opens doors to new questions, each answer reveals additional layers of mystery. The beauty of this quest lies in the journey as much as in the destination. As we explore the universe, both external and internal, we expand not only our understanding of the cosmos, but also our perception of ourselves and our place in this vast and intricate mosaic of existence. What physics teaches us, at its core, is that there is always more to learn, more horizons to explore, more puzzles to solve. So while the idea of a totally predictable universe may seem challenging, it is also an invitation to delve deeper into the quest for knowledge. After all, it is this incessant quest to understand what surrounds us that defines the human journey, that shapes our history, and that, in the end, reveals the true magic of being alive. As long as there are unanswered questions, there will always be a new adventure waiting, a new mystery to unravel, feeding our eternal hunger for knowledge. What if we're sailing on an ocean where the currents of fate have been set since the beginning of time? This is where intriguing quantum physics comes in, with its revolutionary proposal of randomness, challenging the rigidity of classical determinism. This new perspective suggests that perhaps the universe is not a closed book, with every page already written, but rather an open work where the pages are written as we go along. This begs the question, do we really have any control over the script of our lives? Could quantum randomness be the key that allows us to rewrite our history, even under the apparent supervision of immutable universal laws? This thought opens up a range of fascinating possibilities. Imagine that every decision we make, even those that seem insignificant, is an act of creation, a moment where the future is shaped not only by cosmic forces, but also by our will and consciousness. Quantum physics invites us to look further, suggesting that reality is more fluid and malleable than we could ever imagine. In this universe, where particles can exist in multiple states at the same time, where the act of observing alters the observed, we are reminded of the complexity and mystery that is existence. The implications are as vast as the cosmos itself. If not even one particle is bound by a single destiny, then perhaps neither are we. Perhaps in every choice we make, in every path we take, we really are charting our own destiny, weaving the fabric of our journey with the threads of freedom and will. But what really matters in this cosmic tapestry of possibilities is the experience of life itself. The choices we make, the paths we choose to explore, the joys and sorrows we experience, all of this makes up the essence of what it means to be human. Even though the universe has its plans, it is our experience, our capacity to love, suffer, choose, and change that gives color and meaning to existence. Therefore, even in the face of the greatness of the cosmos and the laws that govern it, what really defines our journey are not the invisible currents of fate, but the moments we choose to live fully, the decisions we make consciously, and the infinite possibilities we dare to explore. Quantum physics, with its promise of randomness and freedom, reminds us that, on the stage of the universe, we are both actors and authors, capable of improvising and innovating in our infinite search for meaning. At the end of the day, whether our decisions are predefined or not, what really has value is the experience we live. The food we dine on, even if it's determined by events from the beginning of time, will still be appreciated. Perhaps the real question is not whether we have total control over our lives, but rather how we choose to live, knowing that, in a way, we are part of something much bigger. So, what do you think? Was it the Big Bang that determined you to watch this video, or your own choices? Either way, thanks for being here, and see you next time.